It is summer, the season of lemon desserts. Fresh, vibrant, and delicious, this lemon curd is perfect for making so many different desserts. It can be used as a filling in cakes, cupcakes, tarts, pies, macarons. You can use it to top pancakes, ice cream, and the options are actually endless. So without further ado, let's get started. In a medium-sized saucepan, combine together some whole eggs, granulated sugar, and egg yolks. We're going to be using whole eggs and egg yolks to achieve the perfect consistency in our lemon curd. Now I'm going to use an electric hand mixer to beat this until it is nice and creamy and fluffy for about 2 to 3 minutes. You can also do this using a whisk if you don't have an electric mixer. The written recipe will be available in the description box below, so make sure to click the link to check that out. Next, I'm going to add in some cornstarch. Now, traditionally, lemon curd does not have cornstarch in it, but since I'm going to be using this to fill cakes, and if you're going to be using this to fill cakes or cupcakes, then you should probably not leave this out because it really helps thicken up the lemon curd. Now, once that's mixed in, we're going to add in lemon zest and lemon juice. You'll need about 3 to 4 lemons in total, and when it comes to lemon juice, use fresh lemon juice. Nothing beats the taste of fresh lemon juice. Do not use the bottled version, it's just not going to give you the same flavor. You're going to mix that until it is fully incorporated, and then we're going to place the saucepan on low flame and cook this while stirring until the mixture has thickened. If you feel like your stove does not have a very low flame, you can also use a double boiler instead. You're going to cook this while constantly whisking so that you don't end up with little lumps in your lemon curd. As soon as the mixture becomes dense and starts to thicken, you're going to turn off the flame, and then we're going to add in the unsalted butter. This process should not take more than 5 to 7 minutes. I'm adding in unsalted butter in 2 batches, mixing well between each addition. The reason that we add the butter after instead of before is so that we don't end up with a curdled lemon curd. At this point, you can also add in some vanilla extract if you'd like, but I just left that out. And that's pretty much it. The lemon curd is ready to go. One last step, which is optional, but I highly recommend that you do, is to strain your lemon curd. This is going to remove all the little zest from the custard, and also if you have any lumps, it's going to get rid of it. The lemon curd is going to be runny at this point, but as it cools down in the fridge, it's going to thicken up. If you're going to be using this the same day, you want to cover this with some plastic wrap and then pop that in the fridge for at least 2 hours. If you're not planning to use it the same day, you're going to store this in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. And that's how easy it is to make this delicious lemon curd. It is silky smooth, it is rich, and has the perfect amount of tanginess as well as sweetness. It works so well with a vanilla sponge. I will leave my sponge cake recipe in the description box below, so you can check that out if you'd like. If you haven't already, remember to subscribe to the Vood Flamingo for more easy and delicious recipes just like this one. Like the video if you liked it, and comment down below if you tried the recipe or if there is anything else you'd like me to make. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.